Welcome to the channel Professor Davinci. I am the professor. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated.
Today I'm going to explain the exercise 1.1a, 10th exercise. Derive the quadratic equation formula by writing the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 in the form px plus q whole square plus r, where p, q, r belongs to real number and the a is not equal to 0. From the question we have ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So we are going to remove this factor x square. We are going to remove this coefficient. So I am going to divide entire equation by a. So I get x square plus b by ax plus c by a equals 0. So now the next step, the coefficient of x, I'm going to add and subtract the coefficient of half of the coefficient of x squared. So x square plus b by ax plus b by the half of the x coefficient square minus b by 2a whole square plus c by a equals 0. So by seeing the term, we know that it is same as a plus b the whole square, right? So we get a plus this is the b by 2a the whole square plus we can say this one as a c by a and minus b by 2a the whole square equals 0. So we got the form, we arrived this form. So here what is p equal to 1, q equals b by 2a and r equals c by a minus b by 2a the whole square. So hence arrive the term, right? Thank you guys. See you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.